Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
If there's one lesson that we can all learn from the markets in the last couple of weeks, it's that volatility can really shake an investor's confidence and push them towards the wrong decisions for wealth creation. So, if you experienced the volatility in the last couple of weeks and you were paying a lot of attention to it, you might have found yourself wondering whether you should invest more, whether you shouldn't invest more, whether you need to reallocate your portfolio, or how you want to respond to the events that are unfolding in front of you. Now, this is a very reactive way to follow an investment process because we never know what's going to come next, but we have to make sure that we're continuously investing. So, the real thing that investors need today is an all-weather portfolio where it's not performing only in one environment under one set of constraints, but it can perform well in many environments across different market cycles. So, what do we mean by this? When you look at, say, a high inflation environment, certain assets are going to do well. Especially those that store value, physical assets tend to do well in these periods. But if you have a low inflation environment, possibly these assets are not going to be giving you the best returns. And you can go back in time and actually study the performance of different asset classes to see how this actually works out. Similarly, if you're in a low growth phase or in a high growth phase, you'll have different assets that perform in each of these conditions. So, what we can learn from this is that one, there is no asset that's going to perform very well in every phase of the market cycle or in every environment. The second lesson that we learn is that all your assets cannot fail you at the same time. So, when you know these two important things, what we can try to do from a very practical standpoint is to ensure that we are participating in multiple assets all the time. That way, it doesn't matter what comes next because you're anyway prepared with some part of your portfolio for whatever shows up. Now, this builds confidence for an investor and allows them to continue on their wealth creation journey. It also takes away this assumption that many of us have that certain investments are good and certain investments are bad. Any investment is good at a particular time and place, and that same investment can be bad in a different time, place, or context. Right? When we learn this lesson, it allows us to be more confident and more sensible in the way that we are creating wealth. And when we learn this lesson, we'll realize that we have found a way to take less risk to earn better returns over a consistently long period of time. These are some important lessons that we've learned in our journey as an investment advisor and that we've been able to implement in our journey as a PMS provider. We hope these lessons serve you well in making your investment decisions and in your wealth creation journey.